I am P. Nirmala, Assistant Professor in CSC Department. Today we are going to discuss about information retrieval systems. Today's agenda for the course objectives of IRS, course outcomes of IRS and syllabus and introduction to information retrieval system, the block diagram of information retrieval system and what is the difference between information retrieval and data retrieval. And coming to the course objectives. Course objectives is nothing but the overall plan for your course. Okay, two objectives are here to impart the important concept and algorithms and data or file structures. Okay, here the data structure is framing using the different concept and different algorithms. And the second objective to facilitate the design and implementation of information retrieval system. Here some facilities are providing some different design methods and some different techniques are implementation. And coming to the next course outcomes, the course outcomes is nothing but at the end of the session, student we learn these things. First one is understand the information retrieval strategies. What are the retrieval strategies are understanding? Item normalization. The normalization is nothing but the reduce the redundancy and the functions of information retrievals and what is how to searching the data, how to browsing the data, and next one, what are the structured data and unstructured data and semi-structured data. Here what are the relationship to the database management system and what is digital libraries and how to working in the data warehouses. These things are understanding this information retrieval strategies. Okay, coming to the next point, analyze and use the various retrieval utilities for improving the searching concept. Okay, here the main purpose is improve the searching concept. Okay, the different retrieval techniques are using. What are the different techniques are using? Here the data structure is organizing and also index is also following. Okay, the different documents are there. The different documents, the framing the index and also organizing the data structure, the different part data structure and n-gram data structures are using. The data structure is framing. Okay, because of that, the improve the searching techniques and analyzing to the how to improve the searching techniques. Coming to the next one, next objective, apply various retrieval utilities and crossing language barrier. Okay, in what apply various retrieval utilities is nothing but here the apply to the different mathematical equations. Okay, we have to calculate the relevance feedback and weight of the Boolean operators and uses the searching algorithms and searching techniques. And coming to the next objective, evaluate space and time efficiency using the index and compressing the document. Okay, the use amount of data or pool amount of data is the documentation is occupied the more space. Okay, because of that here the documentation is compressing and also this documentation is using the index. Okay, and time efficiency of time and space evaluated here. And the next objective is comprehend and appreciate the different applications of information retrieval techniques in the internet or web environment. Okay, this is compulsory, the appreciating that information retrieval techniques. Why? Because of that, okay, the information retrieval system is nothing but a Google search. Any user wanted to any information, any sentence or any query is keep in that text box in the Google search. Okay, the return to the our needed information. Because of that, the appreciate the different applications of information retrieval techniques. And coming to the next one, syllabus. here the 5 units of syllabus here there. Okay, we are following one textbook. The textbook is Information Storage and Retrieval Systems, the theory and implementation, the written by Gerard J. Kolaski-Moore and T. Mavery. And the second book is Modern Information Retrieval. Okay, this is Ricardo Bezier Yates and Berthier Ribeiro Neto. These two are our textbooks. Okay, coming to the next point. Here, the data and the difference between information retrieval and data retrieval. Okay, in the anyway, the data is organized into 3 types, 3 categories. Okay, structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. Structured data is nothing but in the DBMS. Okay, here the DBMS, what is database management system. In the DBMS, we are using queries. Okay, the insert queries is using the creating the tables, the inserting the tables and updating the tables and modify the table. Okay, any given data is for framing the tabular format or table format. Okay, here the number of modifications are done here and the number of updations are done here. This is structured format, compulsory here using the SQL queries. And the semi-structured data, here the semi-structured data is nothing but the novels and written newsletters. The here not following any structured format, not following any tabular format. Okay, this is example for data warehouse and NoSQL queries. Okay, coming to the next one, unstructured. Unstructured data is nothing but information retrieval. Information retrieval. Okay, here what is the difference between data retrieval and information retrieval? Okay, small differences are there. The first one is the information retrieval is unstructured data and data retrieval is structured data. First point. The second one is what is the model? Okay, the information retrieval is concerned to the probabilistic model and the data retrieval model is the deterministic model. Okay, in this deterministic model, storage of the data and accessing of the data. Okay, the probabilistic model, we have to find out the prediction. Okay, this is the difference but model of the IR and DR. And the next one, user interaction. User interaction is nothing but in the data retrieval, user interaction is compulsory apply the SQL queries. The SQL queries only using the user is interacting with the data retrieval and structured data. In that information retrieval, the user interaction is, okay, any user is interacting with the unstructured data. And searching methods, the data retrieval searching methods is exactly data is searching. Exact data is searching in the data retrieval. The IR information retrieval is, okay, some set of relevant document is also searching. Okay, the partial matching is also searching to the information retrieval system. That display the output. Okay, in that data retrieval, that display the output compulsory in the tabular form. Okay, in the link to the tabular data. Okay, linking to the remaining previous documentation tables. Okay, already existing data is display the output. Here the information retrieval is the display the output in the number of documents depository or document databases. Okay, and accessibility. Okay, accessibility is nothing but the data retrieval. Accessibility is nothing but the knowledge of SQL query that users only accessing. The information retrieval, okay, any user can accessing the data in Google search. In the next one, block diagram of IRS. Here, what is the working of IRS? Here, any user, the IRS is nothing but the more exact example is a Google search. Here, the user, any query is applied in the one text box. Okay, the query operation is executable, that query. Okay, that is receiving the information retrieval system. The information retrieval system, it works as search engines. Okay, the information retrieval system, it has already the document depository is there. The document depository is nothing but document collection or the document data. Already pre-processing the data, already collecting the data. Okay, in this collecting the data, the indexer is maintain some document indexes. Okay, the information retrieval system, the linking to the documents. Okay, the user query with respect to accessing that relevant data. That relevant data is given to the user. Okay, the how many times is receiving to the user, that is the information retrieval system here based on to the ranked document also. And also the user gives the user feedback to the information retrieval system. Okay, this is our information retrieval system process. Okay, next one, the definition of information retrieval system. Okay, the information system, it is a one of the system or it is a one of the software program. Okay, it is capable of storing the data and retrieving the data or accessing the data or maintenance of information or organization of information. Okay, any information is organizing, any information is storing, okay, any information is accessing. Okay, these things are capable to the this IRS system. Okay, information is nothing but, okay, the numeric data and character data, images, audio, video, and other multimedia objects, all are called as information. Okay, the data is nothing but, okay, only tabular format of data. Okay, here what is the use of that IRS? To minimize the overhead of your user. Okay, how to minimize the overhead of a user? Here the any user receiving to the needed information from the Google search. Okay, that is our minimizing to the overhead. In the not there in Google search. Okay, any user, the searching the data is very difficulty process. Okay, this IRS is working as a complete in our Google search. Okay, thank you.